Raytheon awarded U.S. Navy contract to support RAM upgraded Mk-31 guided missile weapon system. Raytheon Missiles and Defense, Tucson, Arizona, is awarded a $50,069,297 cost plus fixed fee modification to previously awarded contract to exercise options for fiscal 2022 design agent and engineering support services for the Rolling Airframe Missile, RAM, upgraded Mk-31 guided missile weapon system improvement program. Work will be performed in Tucson, Arizona, and is expected to be completed by July 2023. The Raytheon company is upgrading the Mk-31 weapon system via missile software updates. The software updates, called the HAS upgrade, will enable RAM missiles to engage helicopters, aircraft and surface targets in addition to anti-ship missiles, which are the weapon system's primary target. HAS, helicopter, aircraft and surface craft, update will allow to conduct engagements even in high clutter environments. The RIM-116 Rolling Airframe Missile, RAM, is a small, lightweight, infrared homing surface-to-air missile in use by the German, Japanese, Greek, Turkish, South Korean, Saudi Arabian, Egyptian, Mexican, UAE and US navies. It was intended originally and used primarily as a point defense weapon against anti-ship missiles. As its name indicates, RAM rolls as it flies. The missile must roll during flight because the RF tracking system uses a two-antenna interferometer that can measure phase interference of the electromagnetic wave in one plane only. The rolling interferometer permits the antennas to look at all planes of incoming energy. In addition, because the missile rolls, only one pair of steering canards is required. The Rolling Airframe Missiles, together with the Mk-49 Guided Missile Launching System, GMLS, and support equipment, make up the RAM Mk-31 Guided Missile Weapon System, GMWS. The Mk-31 RAM, co-developed by the United States and Germany, is a shipboard anti-missile weapon system that provides high firepower and multiple simultaneous engagement capability against incoming threats. The system is currently deployed on more than 165 ships in 7 fleets, ranging from Nimitz-class aircraft carriers, weighing up to 106,000 metric tons, to smaller fast attack craft. It is suitable for ships of all sizes. Up to 21 Mk-44 guided missile round packs and 1 Mk-49 guided missile launching system comprise the Mk-31 RAM weapon system. Ship's sensors provide the necessary target and pointing data required to engage anti-ship missiles, fixed and rotary wing aircraft, and surface craft.